Once upon a time in the magical village of Glimmerdale, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had bright green eyes and a wild mane of curly hair. Every day, she would explore the lush forests and sparkling streams that surrounded her home. One sunny morning, while wandering near a shimmering waterfall, she overheard a group of talking animals discussing a treasure hidden deep in the enchanted forest, a magical rainbow gem said to grant one wish to whoever found it. Excited by the idea of an adventure, Lily decided to set off on a quest to find this mystical gem. Lily packed her little backpack with snacks, a bottle of water, and her favorite compass. As she stepped into the enchanted forest, vibrant flowers bloomed all around her, and colorful butterflies danced in the air. The trees whispered secrets, and the soft breeze seemed to encourage her. However, she soon realized she wasn't alone. A friendly fox named Finn joined her, eager to help her find the gem. "I know the way," he exclaimed with a wag of his bushy tail. Together, Lily and Finn ventured deeper into the forest, navigating through thick bushes and climbing over mossy rocks. They encountered a wise old owl perched high on a branch, who told them about the obstacles they might face. "Beware of the mischievous sprites that guard the gem," he hooted. Lily felt a tingle of excitement and a hint of fear. But with Finn by her side, she felt brave enough to continue. As they journeyed on, they reached a sparkling river that blocked their path. The water was fast and wild, but Lily remembered a story her grandmother told her about building a bridge with fallen branches. With Finn's help, they gathered long sticks and worked together to create a sturdy bridge. "We did it!" Lily cheered, feeling proud of their teamwork. They crossed the river and pressed on, their spirits high. Soon, they stumbled upon a clearing where the mischievous sprites danced and giggled. The sprites loved playing tricks on travelers. Lily felt nervous, but she remembered her grandmother's advice: sometimes, the best way to get along is to join in the fun. So, she and Finn began to dance and laugh with the sprites. The sprites, delighted by their joyful spirit, agreed to let them pass and even pointed them toward the cave where the rainbow gem lay hidden. Following the sprites' directions, Lily and Finn approached a dark cave. The air was cool and filled with the sound of dripping water. Holding her breath, Lily stepped inside, her heart racing with anticipation. In the center of the cave, on a pedestal of glimmering stones, lay the rainbow gem, radiating colors like a beautiful sunset. Lily's eyes widened in awe. This was the treasure she had been seeking. As she reached out to pick up the gem, a soft voice echoed in the cave. "Only those with a pure heart may claim me," it said. Lily thought for a moment. She remembered all the friends she made during her adventure and how teamwork had helped her. With a warm smile, she whispered, "I wish for everyone in Glimmerdale to be happy and to share adventures together." The gem sparkled brightly, and in an instant, a warm wave of magic spread throughout the land. When Lily and Finn returned to Glimmerdale, they were welcomed as heroes. The village was filled with laughter and joy, and everyone was eager to embark on new adventures together. Lily realized that the real treasure was not just the gem, but the friends she made and the memories they shared along the way. From that day forward, Lily, Finn, and all their friends explored the world around them,